guys, welcome to today's video. So today is going to be my beauty maintenance routine. I absolutely love doing like pampering myself. So right now I'm going to jump into the shower and just wash my hair. I don't really need to wash my hair, but I did go in the pool yesterday, so I think I should actually wash my hair because I have chlorine in it. So I think I'm going to do that right now. I am going to show you first the products that I'm going to be using. Okay, so my camera died, so I'm filming on my phone right now. I just applied my Briogeo Scalp Revival Rosemary Pre-Wash Oil. I don't usually use hair oils anymore because I actually went to my hair when I recently cut my hair. She said hair oiling is not the greatest, so I'm just going to skip, not do the hair oiling and just use this. And then I'm just going to be leaving it in for about 15 minutes. While I do that, I'm actually going to dry brush my body. I love to do this right before the shower. Okay, I'm going to go over the products that I'm going to be using in the shower. First is shampoo and conditioner. So I'm going to use the Briogeo Superfoods Mango and Cherry Balancing Shampoo and Conditioner. I'm going to go in with shampoo and conditioner first. Okay, next, to wash the body, I'm going to take the Trader Joe's Brazil Nut Body Wash. I love this body wash. I did get the sample size of the Rare Beauty Find Comfort Gentle Exfoliating Body Wash. I love it. I think I do want to get the full size because it's really nice. For a body scrub, I'm going to go in with the Osea Salts of the Earth Body Scrub. I love this body scrub. It smells so nice and it smells like the body oil that we're going to be using later. That's everything that I'm going to be using in the shower. I'm actually not going to be shaving today because I actually did that yesterday, so I don't need to shave. Okay, so now I'm out of the shower. I completely forgot that I got a new set of a body wash and a body lotion from Bath & Body Works that I used in the shower and outside of the shower. So the body wash from Bath & Body Works is Brightest Blossom from Bath & Body Works. This is the body wash. I used that in the shower, and then I used the Brightest Blossom body lotion out of the shower. But before I used the lotion, I like to go in with my Osea Undaria Algae Body Oil, and I just used the lotion to kind of seal it all in. So that's what I did right after the shower. Now let's blow dry the hair and do some heatless curls.
I'm going to use the Shark Flex style. I'm going to now start doing my heatless curls. Go right into my oral care. So first I'm going to brush my teeth. I like to use the Crest whitening toothpaste. And now it's time for a manicure and pedicure. So I'm first going to soak my feet and then do a mini foot spa. And then I'm just going to be doing my normal pedicure routine. So I also have videos on how I like to do my manicure and pedicure, so I'm going to also link that in the description and up in the cards as well. So I didn't film it in this video, but I also did my manicure, and again, that video will be in the description and in the cards. Okay, so now it's time to do my facial routine. So I haven't done this, but I wanted to try it for this video. I'm going to be actually steaming first. So I'm going to take my Conair facial steamer and steam my face for about 5 minutes. And then I'm going to go into all of my skincare steps. So after I steam, I'm going to go in with my cleanser. I'm going to take my favorite cleanser. This is the ITK Milk to Foam Gentle Cleanser. It's a great one. I love it. And I also like to use my Foreo Luna 4 when cleansing. Next, it's time for a face mask. I'm going to use my Lush face mask. This one is in, I think, Rosy Cheeks. I don't remember. But I'm going to leave that on for about 15 minutes. while I let that be for about 15 minutes, I'm going to be actually working on editing the first half of this video that I am doing right now. After the 15 minutes is up, I'm going to wash my face and then go into the rest of my skincare. So after the skincare, I like to go in with...
So I did already shave my face yesterday, so I don't really need to do that in this video, but I am going to be plucking my eyebrows. And I did actually use a facial razor to shave off some of my brow hairs because they were really stubborn to pluck.
A toner. This is the ITK Triacid Toner. This one actually exfoliates, so I don't need to go in with an exfoliator. So after I'm going to go in with the toner, I'm going to go in with my serum. I didn't have the normal one that I used, so I ended up having to actually use a nighttime serum, which is not the greatest, but whatever. I'm going to use the ITK Nightly Clarifying Serum. And then after the serum, I'm going to go in with an eye cream. I'm going to use the ITK Day Plus Night Eye Cream Duo. I'm going to put that under my eyes, and I like to also put that on my eyes as well, or around my eyes. And then I'm going to go in with my Osea Atmosphere Protection Cream. This is a really nice moisturizer. I love this moisturizer. It is amazing. And then before I go in and put on my under eye patches, I'm also going to be putting on my sunscreen before I do the under eye patches. I'm going to take my Supergoop Glow Screen sunscreen. This is my favorite one. I do kind of like this one better than the dupe for it, which was the e.l.f. one. I really like it. Okay, now it's time to put on the under eye patches. Okay, so I just wanted to pop on really quick right now. I know I look really crazy because I just received the new shades from the Ravie Beauty Effortless lipstick collection. I am so excited. These are the 3 new shades, and I got all of the shades for my pro kit, so I'm gonna keep these aside for my professional makeup kit. So the 3 new shades are Peony, Poppy, and Rose. I am so excited. I'm actually going to be opening these on camera, so let's do it. Oh no, I didn't want to rip it, no. All right, this one, Poppy. So I'm going to be, actually, you know what? I'm going to wipe off my lip balm now, and then we can decide which shade I want to use later in the video. I'm gonna wipe them off. This one is Poppy, like I said. Same packaging as the other ones. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, I'm gonna swatch it on the back of my hand first. Okay, so this one is Poppy. So pretty, I love it. Let's swatch it on the lips. This one was Peony. I love this shade. It's my natural lip color, and I think it's so pretty. It's a great one. Okay, let's wipe that off. Okay, next we have, this one's Poppy. Okay, I think this is the more coral one. Yeah, this is the more coral. Looks like this. I'm gonna swatch it. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Okay, let's swatch it. Do a lip swatch. Oh wow. I'm looking for a nice coral lipstick, and this is it. I love it. Whoa. And again, this was Poppy. Okay, last but not least is shade Rose. I'm so excited because I've always wanted to find like a really good rose or red shade, and in her video it was perfect. I was like, wow, that's so pretty. And I didn't try a lot of reds to find the perfect one, but let's try it. So again, this is Rose. Wow, that's pretty. Okay, I'm gonna swatch it first. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. Wow. What? Okay, this, I found it. I found the perfect red. It's this. I keep looking in the viewfinder because it's just so pretty. Oh! And again, these are the 3 new shades. We have Peony, Poppy, and Lily. I am obsessed with these 3 new shades. They're amazing. So congratulations, Allie, on your 3 new lipstick shades. They're top notch, so great. I love them. I forget the name of these under eye patches, but I really do like to use these. So now I am ready to start my makeup. So I'm going to start with the eyes first. So I'm going to do the eyebrows and then the eyes. And then after, I'm going to do my complexion. I'm going to be trying one of the Peony from the new shades from the Ravie Beauty Effortless Lips. So now it's time to take out the curls.
Okay, so that was my little mini glow up routine. I just wanted to also mention what shade I ended up using for my lips from the 3 new Ravie Beauty lipsticks. So I ended up using the shade Peony. It's that like really nice, kind of like true petal pink shade. I love it. I did also pair it with a lip liner because I just wanted to see what it would look like also with a lip liner. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!